What do I do if I've lost my policy form? Losing your auto insurance policy form can feel stressful, but don't worry. The first step is to reach out directly to your insurance provider. They can usually send you a new copy quickly. Many companies can provide a certified or official copy of your policy, which works just like the original document. You might need to pay a small fee for this service, but it's worth it to have your proof of coverage. Sometimes, your insurer will ask you to verify your identity before sending the new document. Be prepared to give your policy number, full name, and possibly your date of birth. If you don't have your policy number handy, your insurer can often find it using your personal details. If you have a copy of your declarations page or proof of insurance, keep it safe. This page summarizes your coverage, including policy limits, deductibles, and covered vehicles. It's often enough to prove you are insured during a traffic stop or at a dealership. In some cases, you might need to file a police report if your policy form was stolen or lost in a theft. This report can be helpful when requesting a replacement, especially if you suspect theft or fraud. Take the report, along with your identification, to your insurance company. They will guide you through the process of getting a new policy document. If your policy form was damaged rather than lost, you should show the damaged document to your insurer. They can then issue a new one, often at no extra cost. Remember, losing your policy form does not mean your coverage stops. Your insurance remains active as long as your premiums are paid and your policy is in force. To avoid future issues, consider storing your policy documents in a safe place, such as a secure digital folder or a physical file at home. Many insurers also offer online accounts where you can access your policy details anytime. So, the main steps are to contact your insurer, request a replacement, and provide any necessary documents or reports. Doing this promptly keeps your proof of insurance current and ready whenever you need it.